Thanks, Brandis. Airline bookings for Labor Day weekend are down despite being the last summer weekend to squeeze in a trip. McDonald's looks at closing indoor dining as the COVID Delta variant surges. And a local medical equipment maker is nearing a $10 billion deal. Here to go behind the headlines is Crain Chicago business editor Ann Dwyer. Ann, great to see you as always. So we know that airlines struggled mightily during the pandemic. It looked like things were getting back to normal this summer, but this Labor Day weekend not going to be normal for air travel. Explain.
That's right. The Delta variant is really the culprit here, Paris. You're correct that bookings are off nationwide, down 15% for the Labor Day weekend. And that's typically one of the busiest weekends in any airline's travel calendar. Now, the weakness is extending beyond Labor Day, actually. That's why some airlines like Southwest and American are now warning Wall Street to dial down their expectations for third quarter profits as travelers cut back on or simply cancel their plans.
So the Delta variant having a big impact on the air travel industry. Also the food service industry, one of the largest franchisers in the world, Chicago's McDonald's, considering closing off indoor dining because of the Delta variant. Is that true?
In certain areas, yes. Reuters reported today that there's internal communication at McDonald's guiding franchisees on how to shut down their stores if they feel they need to, at least the indoor dining component. The company has identified a yardstick that's basically in counties where there are 250 COVID cases per 100,000 people on a 3-week rolling average. They're recommending to their franchisees that they shut down indoor dining. Now, the Chicago area doesn't meet that standard right now, but there are certainly areas of the country that do and probably will, and it's likely that the drive-thrus are going to get pretty busy in those areas.
Certainly seeming areas in the south and southeast. Lastly, Ann, Baxter International is in advanced talks of buying out a Chicago-based medical equipment maker called Hillrom. What is significant about this deal?
Well, Paris, it's a big deal because it's a big deal. We're talking about a $10 billion offer here, and this is an acquisition that would be a very big ticket move for Baxter. It's one that would add a range of products to their existing lineup, including patient monitors and operating tables, that sort of thing. It's a combination that Baxter has wanted to make, actually, Paris, for some time now, but Hillrom has rebuffed Baxter's previous offers. Baxter wants to survive as an independent operator in a very rapidly consolidating industry. And they also want to shore up their stock price. Baxter's stock has sunk about 8% so far this year, while Hillrom's is up 36%.
Big dollar amount there. Lots of money we're talking about. All right, Ann, thank you so much.
Thank you.